What do you mean by theories of failure? Remember keywords. To understand what the theories of failure are, let us consider a cantilever rod. In a combined loading condition where torque is applied, along with the axial load. Due to these loads, we see that complex stresses are induced on this rod. Because of these complex stresses, the rod may fail to perform its function either due to yielding or fracture. So it is very important to predict the mode of failure so that the design methodology can be based on a particular failure criterion. This is possible using the theories of failure, which are basically a set of failure criteria developed for the ease of design. Thus, theories of failure are used to get the safe dimensions of a machine element when it is subjected to combined stress due to combined loading. There are various theories of failure. They are the maximum principal stress theory, the maximum principal strain theory, the maximum shear stress theory, the maximum distortion energy theory, and the maximum strain energy theory. Related terms are maximum principal stress theory, maximum principal strain theory, maximum shear stress theory, maximum distortion energy theory, and the maximum strain energy theory. Question. Remember keywords. Related terms are remember diagram, remember definition,